We are certainly living in unprecedented and challenging times. And a common emotion that many people are struggling with is the feeling of anxiety. What is anxiety and what can we do about it? Well, anxiety basically is a sense of fear that is persistent and pervasive and chronic. You see, fear is a totally normal human response to threat. If the brain detects threat, then you feel fear. And when you feel fear, there are certain stress hormones that are released that prepare the body, or rather, that push the body to fight or flight. But if the threat is ambiguous or the world is uncertain and you're not sure what might happen, then the brain starts thinking about various threats. And then that sense of fear becomes continuous and persistent, and that state is called anxiety. If you're suffering from anxiety, you will feel not just fear, but you might have a lot of worries, overthinking, difficulty sleeping, irritability and impatience, decreased short term memory, impaired focus and concentration, exhaustion, and body aches and pains. These are very common symptoms with anxiety. And if the anxiety continues, it can create what we call secondary depression, where a person can feel helpless and hopeless. So, we want to prevent anxiety, and there are a few simple strategies that you and every one of us can do to prevent anxiety, which are namely, firstly, sleeping at least 7 to 9 hours of a night. Number two, eating a healthy, balanced, nutritious diet. Thirdly, exercising at least 5 times a week, even walking for 30 minutes is good exercise. If you can add yoga and pranayama, that will help a lot with anxiety, and learning how to meditate. This is very important to bring your attention to this present moment so that you can still the mind, come away from all these imagined and fears that one can think about in the future and come to this moment. So, practice all of this and anxiety will reduce. But if you have any feelings that are hard to deal with and that you're struggling with, please don't hesitate to seek professional help. It's not a sign of weakness, it's a sign of strength to look within.